Hello everyone, bikes updates. Yamaha Jupiter Sport 1500 cubic centimeters Y15ZR, the ultimate ride? The Yamaha Jupiter Sport 1500 cubic centimeters Y15ZR is a high-performance underbone motorcycle designed for speed enthusiasts and urban riders alike. Yamaha has built a reputation for crafting powerful, efficient, and stylish motorcycles, and the Y15ZR is no exception. With its aggressive design, strong engine, and advanced features, this machine stands out as a top contender in its class. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Y15ZR is a robust 1500 cubic centimeters engine, delivering raw power and exceptional torque. This high-displacement engine ensures thrilling acceleration and superior performance on both city roads and highways. Yamaha has fine-tuned the fuel injection system to provide optimal fuel efficiency without compromising speed, making it ideal for riders who want both power and economy. Yamaha has designed the Y15ZR with a sporty and aerodynamic body. The sharp, angular front fairing, LED headlights, and aggressive color schemes make it look like a true racing machine. The sleek tail section and well-integrated exhaust system further enhance its aesthetics, giving it a modern and dynamic appearance. The Y15ZR is packed with cutting-edge technology. It features a fully digital instrument panel that provides real-time information, including speed, RPM, fuel levels, and gear position. The advanced braking system, featuring disc brakes on both wheels, ensures safety and control at high speeds.